In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to start Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads. I made $17,150 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. In this video, guys, I will share with you my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn this commission, and I made this commission just in 24 days in this month. Okay, this is my clicks, this is my CTR, this is the first time buyer, people who used my affiliate links to buy those services or products from my affiliate link, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end, and if you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't make commission like this. Okay, anyway, this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshot, guys. I can click here. This is my dashboard. I have marketing tools, reports, payment, post back, sub affiliate, commission plan, affiliate store, and so on. Okay, anyway, so for people who want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Okay, search for this website, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, super easy. All you have to do is you just need to come to this page and scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commission, and this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. It's a really profitable, and all you have to do, guys, is you just need to click on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name, make it private. Okay, let me show you. Just click here on account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Super easy. After you finish, you can also put your Skype account here if you have. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, super easy. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, and so on. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to create Pinterest business account. Go to Google and search for Pinterest. Okay, like this. Super easy. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. Make sure to choose Pinterest business account, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, it's super easy. So what you will do next is you will go back to Google and you will search for Pinterest trend. Okay, search for Pinterest trend, click on the first link and you will be directly in this page. Okay, so we need to see what's trending in Pinterest this month. Okay, so we can promote services related to what's trending. Okay, you cannot promote services that you like or that you choose. You need to use Pinterest trend to promote a product that will get you commission. Okay, so let me show you how we can do it. Go to Pinterest trend. This will be your home page. Click here and choose which country you want to target. I'm gonna choose Canada. You can choose Canada, you can choose United States, and so on. Okay, so for me, I will choose Canada and I will scroll down and here you go. This is the top trends in Canada this month on Pinterest. This is the products or services or topics that are trending on Canada this month on Pinterest. Okay, so let's click here to see if we can find some services that we can promote related to what's trending. Okay, so we have here outfit, tattoos, idea, we have beauty, makeup. Okay, let me see. We have this one, drawing ideas. We can find services related to this one. So but let's see if we can find a good one. Okay, dinner ideas, bedroom ideas. Okay, let me see. We can also scroll down, guys. We have here discover trends in Canada. We can scroll down and we have here even filters, so we can control and choose topic or keywords. Okay, so you can click here on interests, and you have here animals, we have art, beauty. I'm gonna search for design. Okay, I will click on design. Let me see, and here you go. You will find a lot of keywords that are trending on Pinterest related to design. Okay, we have luxury living room design. Let me see, we have this one. Okay, let's check this one, guys. Let's check this one. I will click on this luxury living room. Okay, just click on the keyword that you see that it's trending and check it, and you will be directly in this page. Okay, and click here on the past 1 year and select just past 3 months. Okay, like this, and here you go. Do you see, guys, the graph of this topic is just keep going up. Okay, do you see here? It's going up. Luxury living room design. So what I will do, I will copy this keyword. Okay, I will go back to my Fiverr homepage. Okay, and I will click on the search, and I will search for this service. Okay, related to this keyword. We have room. I'm gonna just search for room design. Okay, this one, I'm gonna search for room design, and I want you to pay attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Okay, choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, seller who has good reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback of those sellers. If those sellers have good reviews, good feedback, those people will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose, let me see. As you can see, guys, we have a lot of services related to room design. Okay, so what's trending? This, because this topic is trending on Pinterest on Canada. Okay, so I will choose, let me see, I'm gonna choose, I will do 3D design. I will do like this one here. I think this one is good. This one, guys, is level 2 seller. Okay, and he has a lot of reviews. I will choose this one. I will click on his service. Just click on his service like this, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Okay, like this. As you can see, this seller has one order in queue, a lot of reviews, level 2 seller. That's really good. So what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click here. Okay, just click here, and you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. Okay, you save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So we will go back to our Pinterest business account, and we will click here on home feed, click on create pin, and you will be directly in this page. So what you will do next is you need to upload a video or picture about this service. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller page on Fiverr, you will scroll down, this seller has a video. Let me see. That's a really good, this seller has a video. So that's really nice. So what we will do is we will double click on the video and we will click here on save video. Okay, so save this video to your laptop, and that's it. So let me show you. So I'm gonna name it room room design. I will click on save, and that's it. I will go back to Pinterest, to my Pinterest account. I will click here and I will upload this video. Okay, so let me show you. This is my video over here. Open, click on open, and here you go. So what you will do next, you need to put here your title and your description. Go back to the seller profile page and copy his title. Okay, like this. Copy his title and go back to your Pinterest account and put this title here. You are just an affiliate marketer, so you can use those information. That's all fine, because you are helping those people to get more sales, and for you, you will earn commission. Okay, so you need description. Go back to the seller profile page, scroll down. You should see here about this gig. Okay, this is the description of the seller. So you will copy this description. I will copy this part to show you guys. Go back to Pinterest and put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, okay, to this page. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, just copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. Okay, and go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. Okay, and click here on create a board. You just need to give it a name, and that's it. Let's name it, for example, room design. Click on create, and that's it. Super easy. You need here keyword or tags. Okay, you need to put keywords. So how you can find those keywords? Go back to your Pinterest trend. Go back to Pinterest trend. Copy those keywords. I will copy this one. Go back to Pinterest and put this keyword here. Okay, go back to Pinterest trend. Scroll down. You see here related trends. Copy those keywords here. Okay, you see this keyword. Copy all those keywords. Okay, and go back and put those keywords here, and that's it. After you finish, so let's click here on edit cover. So let me see if we can use good cover for this video. You can click on edit cover, and Pinterest will suggest for you the good cover. Okay, you will not upload it from your one, and click on done, and that's it. Okay, I will click on cancel, and after you finish, click on publish. Okay, like this, and here you go. Your Pinterest pin will be published on Pinterest with your affiliate link, and that's it. Let me see, and here you go. You see, guys, it's super easy. Okay, this is your video explaining your service. This is your affiliate link. This will be your analytics. You can check here impressions, your clicks, and how many people saved this pin, how many people click on this pin, how many impressions, how many people saw your pins. So what you will do, you will get a lot of data and try to improve. See which pins are getting a lot of clicks and double those pins. Okay, try to make good videos to get more clicks, because people are clicking but they are not they didn't trust. Okay, but so to get the trust of those people who click on your pins, you need to create good content. Okay, create good videos. You can even edit those videos if you have some skills. If you don't, just learn. Okay, you can go and learn editing and start improving. Okay, every day start improving. See which services are getting a lot of clicks, a lot of impression, double those services, promote a lot of those services. Of course, different sellers. Okay, you have a lot of sellers on Fiverr. Try to promote all those good sellers who have those services, and that's it. Use Pinterest trend. Okay, use Pinterest trend, see what's trending in Canada, what's trending in United States, what's trending in Spain, what's trending in all those countries. Start promoting those services related to what's trending, and you can really make a lot of commission with this. The business model is clear, but it's not easy. Yes, it's clear. I show you step by step everything that I do. This is the methods that I'm using, but it's not easy, guys. It's gonna take consistency. You need to work hard. You need to do lots of research. You need to start creating good content that will convert people to buy those services from you so you can earn commission. And that's it. If you guys have any question, just leave it in the comments. I will answer all your questions. Also, guys, my affiliate marketing course will be done very soon. I'm still working on this course. I'm really putting a lot of hours in this course because I want to make it the best affiliate marketing course ever that you can get, that will help you to earn commission from your first month. Of course, if you will guarantee to me that you will work hard and you will stay consistent. Okay, even if I give you this course, it's always the results, it's always depending on your work. If you are lazy and you are not consistent, of course you will not make commission. But if you are really a hard worker person, you are working hard, you are doing a lot of research, you have time, you are consistent, you can make a lot of money, not just with this business, but in all online businesses. Okay, because that's how it works. All those businesses takes time, and they need consistency, and they need to learn more about marketing, do lots of research, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next videos.